All right, folks. So congratulations. You should have gotten your Facebook ad for your Miley System Pro campaign already approved. Should be going through the process of just kind of monitoring that. I'm gonna be doing a video a little bit later to show you how to kind of monitor your ad that you've actually created. But in this video here, what we're gonna do real quick, I'm just gonna jump right into it. We're actually gonna be creating our first Facebook ad for your business opportunity. So whatever MLM, whatever affiliate product, service, whatever you're promoting, outside of Miley System Pro, we're going to show you how to create that ad. And just a few things to remember. When you're creating Facebook ads, guys, it's not an exact science, I guess you can say. It's more of an art, because remember, you're dealing with people and you're trying to find who your target audience is. And that's really what Facebook is really all about. And that's the reason why you have to, Facebook always asks you, what's your favorite book? What's your favorite movie? And this, that, and the other thing is because it's actually putting together a social graph of people's interests. So if you can find the people that are interested in what you have to offer, and then you can market to those individuals, you get better results. And that's really what it's all about. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So just like we did before, right? And I'm going to kind of run through this, but it's pretty much the same way that we did it before. Okay, so it's really not too much of a difference in it, other than you definitely want to watch the type of sales copy that you're using to get your ad approved. The number one issue that I see most people having when they're doing Facebook ads or trying to create Facebook ads is getting their ads approved. So what we're going to do today in terms of your business opportunity, Facebook really doesn't like MLMs and network marketing and things of that nature. So you have to talk in a way to where it's not so vague. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it and I'll show you what I mean here. So we're going to create an ad. So I'm going to click on this button right here at the top right hand corner, right? And I'm going to scroll down to right here where it says create ad. When I click on that, give it a second here. Then it's going, of course, it's going to pull up, the different type of ads that I can create on Facebook. And I'm going to go to increase conversion on your website. And I'm going to click on that. And then what I need to do is actually find the web address or the website that I want to promote. So I'm going to log into Miley System Pro, which I should already be here as well. Let's see. All right. And if I go to my websites here and I go to MLSP campaigns, let's see. Actually, we want to go to Finalizer. I'm sorry. We want to go to Finalizer, and I'm going to find the website that I actually created, or the sales funnel that I created. So I'm going to check this here. So to open up in a new window, I'm going to pull up Finalizer. And I actually did something a little bit different. I actually created a different type of funnel for one of my primary business opportunities that I'm offering. And this is no pitch, guys, but I just really wanted to show you a realistic examples of what you can do in terms of building your business. So if you're marketing something in health and wellness, travel, insurance, whatever, okay, some type of affiliate program, it doesn't matter. You can still do the exact same thing. So this is what I recently did. I actually created a different type of sales funnel, and you can actually find this option in, matter of fact, let me just show you what it looks like and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Just going to copy the link here and open up a new window, because it all matters what you're promoting. So let me go to the link here, and I'm going to pause the video. Okay. All right. So this is me, guys. This is me and some business partners of ours. They were actually at the penthouse at the Cosmopolitan Hotel here in Las Vegas. We did like a little MTV Cribs type of video. And so what I did, I actually created a whole page around that. I've got my name, I've got my, got my links here. We had to do our version of MTV Cribs. We call it TLC Cribs in Vegas. And TLC is the primary MLM that I'm promoting. But again, it really doesn't matter what business it is, guys. Okay, so again, I'm not trying to pitch anybody on anything. So just want to give that disclaimer. I just want to show you a real life example of how this works. And this is what I did. I created this using Finalizer. I got the video here. I've got, some images. There's me and my wife, some things I was talking about, some other information here. And I just kind of made it look like a blog post, okay? And there my opt-in fields right here. And here's one here at the bottom as well, and so on and so forth. So that's something that I did. If you want to know where you can actually create that, let me show you. Let me just go ahead and click on edit. And the reason why I'm showing you this, guys, because this is the one that I'm going to use for this particular ad. Now, again, you can use whatever you want to use. It really doesn't matter, but I just wanted to be clear in really what I'm trying to do. It's all going to make sense here in a moment. All right, so what I'm going to do, let me just show you what I mean here. Remember, these are all the different ads here, or excuse me, different templates that you can use, using Finalizer, right? And the one that I chose for this particular ad, where is it at? This one right here, native ad blog opt-in. So this is the actual template here, guys. And again, you can choose this. You can create one for your own opportunity, your own product service. You could put, if you got a cool little video you want to put there, and so on and so forth. Because when you're talking about opportunities, Facebook likes to deliver more content. So the more content rich your landing page is, the better chances you'll get your ad approved. Now, you can still use landing pages and lead capture pages as well, but I do see a trend of marketers marketing to a page like this more than just your typical basic landing page. So these are still basically landing pages. It just has more content on it. Okay. So just kind of keep that in mind. But again, you don't have to just do one like this. If you already got one that you've already created because of the training, definitely do that. Okay. Go ahead and use that. I just wanted to kind of give you guys that little example what I'm doing here, so you'll kind of know exactly what my purpose is, and the reason why I'm choosing that particular ad. Okay, so I just want to show you that's what I'm actually going to be promoting, is that page right there. So let me go back and find that page. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to come back here to Facebook. I'm going to paste that link there. Okay, and then Facebook's going to do its thing and try to make sure that it's a real page. Yes, it is. And I'm just going to put view content. Okay. All right. And basically what this, again, this is a pixel. Again, you'll learn a lot more about pixels a little bit later. I don't want to go, that's too in depth right now. So I don't want to go into a lot of that. So I'm just make sure you click on view content for now. Okay. And then what I want to do is set my audience and budget like we did before, like in the previous ad. And we got to tell Facebook who do we want to see our ad. So I can say, of course, I'm just going to keep everything people here in the United States. I'm going to say people between the ages of 25. And let's just do something different. We'll just say 25 and 45. How about that? Just doing something different. Okay. I'm going to do all men and women. Okay. Let's see. Well, it says it's 86,000 people so far in this criteria. Let's just do something different. Let's do men. Okay. It's going to change that number to like 40. Actually, I said it wrong. It's like 41 million, actually. So 41 million people there between the ages of 25 and 45 and here in the United States that are on Facebook. Okay. But I want to narrow that down a little bit more. We'll say, who's my customer? I would say anybody that has shown some type of interest in network marketing. Okay, and I'm just going to choose that. Watch it change that number. 43,000 people. All right, and again, I can add more interest, but sometimes I wouldn't have 5, 10, 15 different interest here, because then you won't really be able to kind of narrow down where your traffic is coming from. So you can always create another. So if you have network marketing, typically I don't do no more than maybe 2 or 3 at the most. Most of the time it's usually just 1, but I might do maybe 2, maybe 3. Okay, it just depends on how targeted those keywords are for that customer that I'm looking for. Okay, so if it's single moms, for example, I can type in single moms. Let's see what comes up. The Single Moms Club, or matter of fact, let's do this. Since I'm talking to men, let's do this. Single dads. All right, let's just see how targeted that becomes. I'm just curious. It was at 43,000. Now it changed it to 56,000 people potentially, right? That are interested in network marketing, that are single dads, so on and so forth. So hey, let's roll with it, right? Let's just roll with it. So as you can see, the interest piece is very crucial. So it says here, Facebook can help you reach specific audiences by looking at their interests, activities, the pages they have liked, and closely related topics. Okay, so everything that you do on Facebook is actually being recorded. So it's actually looking at recorded in terms of for marketing purposes, right? So if you're constantly talking about something all the time on your Facebook page, it's categorizing your conversations so advertisers can market their products and services based off of your activities on Facebook. Does that make sense? So that's really all Facebook is a an ad machine for advertisers like you and I, right? So that's really what it's all about. So it kind of gives you an idea how that works there. You can go into behaviors even more. I'm not going to go into a lot of this right now, guys, but definitely kind of play around with all the different categories. If you're not sure what it is, click on it. It'll let you know exactly. Facebook has all the little explanations right there on each section. So it kind of breaks it all down here for you. I'm going to do $5 a day. Okay. You can do, again, I definitely recommend at least doing at least $5 a day. I know in the previous video, you did your ad for one of your MLSP campaigns. You can do $1, you can do $2.50, and then you can do $2.50 on this one. That's a total of $5 a day in terms of advertising. Half of it is going to where just providing value, building your list. The other half is sharing content about your business opportunity. And that's running automatically while you're at work, while you're working out, while you're asleep, while you're doing whatever, while you're doing other activities in your business. You see what I'm saying? That's what a Facebook ad does for you. It gives you more time to do other things without your business stopping. A lot of you guys are doing your business online, but when you stop working on the internet, your business stops. You got to create and do things that your business never stops running. Okay, so that's the whole key. The more you spend, the bigger the audience. For example, I didn't say this in the last video. So $5 a day basically means that Facebook will share my ad to at least 420 to 1,100 people on Facebook. Right there, tells you right there. That's how many people can be exposed to my ad based on the criteria that I've given it and the amount that I'm about to spend. So let's say, okay, what if I wanted to do, let's say, $20 a day, just to kind of give you an idea. See how it just changed? Now, if I did $20 a day, it changed it from 400 some odd to 1,100 to minimum 1,400 to possibly 36, maybe even a little bit more. You see that? So the more you spend, the more exposure you get. Okay, does that make sense? Now you can say $20, and you can make it a daily budget, or you can make it a lifetime budget. You can make it run for a specific date. Like I can set a certain time and date for it to actually end, where it'll only spend $20 total, but I want this ad to run from today to the end of the week, and I only want to spend $20, so it'll kind of divide that $20 into a certain amount of day, certain amount to stretch to the end of the week, if that makes any sense. So the more you basically, guys, the more you spend, the more exposure you get. Okay, you see what I'm saying? That's what it's all about. That's the game of advertising. Whoever spends the most gets in front of more people, right? So that's the whole thing. But if you're like on a budget, like I was in the beginning, typically I said, you know what? I can afford $5 a day. I can do that. That's what total about $150 a month. But man, I'm blowing more than $5 a day going to Starbucks every morning and buying chips and sodas and all kinds of stuff every day while I'm at work, right? Think about it, guys. Think about it. That's, you're doing that. So why not give $5 a day for your business? And again, this isn't an affiliate. This is all going to Facebook, okay? But again, what that means is it can definitely help your exposure. The more people you can expose, the more opportunities you can get for leads, sales, and people joining your business. Does that make sense? All right, just wanted to clear that up, just in case anybody had questions about that. So that's the reason why I chose 5, because I think it's a good good option to start with. So $5 a day, it's going to give me at least 420 to 1,100 people that can possibly be exposed to my opportunity. Okay, somewhere in between there. That makes sense. So scroll down. We're not going to go into a lot of the other details. If you want to know how those work, click them, check them. Kind of read what they do, because you don't have to. If you click something and you don't want it to do that, just take it back to where it was. It's really, Facebook makes it really, really simple to understand what you have. These are just options. Everything is an option because you're building your audience. Okay, so I think I got it how I want it. Just a quick review. Everybody here lives in the United States between the ages 25-45. All men. This one's going to nothing but males. Okay, that are typically males that like network marketing or have expressed some type of interest in network marketing, and that are single dads. Okay, make sense? All right, and I just kept it like that. $5 budget. Typically, it's $5 as a default most of the time, and that's pretty much it. If you want to call this particular campaign, you want to give it a name, you can. We'll just call it Test FB Ad. Okay, we'll just do that, and then choose your ad creative. So we're making some really good headway here. I'm going to run through this here really quick, guys, because we kind of went through this before in the previous video. I'm going to do again a single image. If you want to do multiple images, basically what Facebook will allow you to do is to have multiple images on one particular ad, and they'll kind of promote all those different images, so you can see which one performs the best. I've got an example. I'm going to show you that here in just a few minutes. But for now, because of the example, we're just going to choose one. I'm going to select an image here. If you want to do a video, we're going to talk about that in the next week when we go over more video marketing. I'm going to show you how to create a video ad as well. All right, so I want to browse my library. And again, we kind of went over this before. I already got a lot of images already in my ad account and on Facebook that I can choose from. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose this one. This is kind of a funny video. I'm looking kind of crazy there. Let me select the image. I'm going to close that image out. I'm just going to use one. Hit done. And then it gives me the preview of the image right there. I want to make sure I'm on the right fan page here. I got multiple fan pages, so I want to choose a Stephen Rachel fan page. Remember, I'm promoting me. I'm the number one product, right? You're the number one product in your business. It's not your product service, it's you. So we want to make sure that you're promoting yourself. All right. So really quick here is okay. So far the ad looks fine. I like the image. So what we got to do, we need to change the headline, which is this right here. Let's see. And again, this is going to an opportunity. Okay. So I'm promoting my opportunity. So if they click on this image, if they click on this ad, it's going to take them to that page, which is this one. Okay. They're going to automatically land on it. Right. So that's what I'm promoting. So what do I want to say? So in the headline, which is below here, I'm just going to say something. Oh my God. Let's see. This is crazy. Give it a second. Oh, I can't. You can't do a lot of, exclamation points and all that good stuff. So we'll just give it a second. All right, we'll do that. That's fine. Okay. All right. What am I going to say? I don't know. Let's figure it out together. Again, most of you are going to want to say, earn $500 by next Friday, easy to sign up or free to join. Well, that's not a true statement. Everybody is not going to be able to make that kind of income. You don't know everybody's background. You don't know their circumstances, things of that nature. Everybody brings something different to the table. So you can't talk in that type of language when you're trying to promote your business opportunity, guys. Okay. The only reason I'm saying like that, because I see people trying to do that over and over again, even after watching training. Okay. You can't do it that way. You have to talk about what you're doing. What you're doing. If you're doing something, that's a true statement. But you can't tell somebody else, say, hey, you can earn, $100, every day by joining my business. Well, it might be true to the fact of, yeah, it's possible, but is that really true for everybody? So basically the message that you're saying, if you join my business, you'll earn $100 a day. You see what I'm saying? Facebook does not like that. Okay, because it's not a true statement for their users. Okay, they want things to be clear. Okay, and for people to understand exactly what's going on. So the way that you get around that, the language that you want to talk in is you want to talk about what you're doing. So what I'm going to do is, I'll say I've been able to buy my dream car because of the information I saw. Let me see. I've been able to buy my dream car. I don't like it. Hold on. Let me think. Let's see. Yes. We'll just say yes. This website allowed me to quit my part-time job now I have more time and money. Okay, I'm telling a story. You see what I'm doing? I'm telling a story. I'm not, hey, join my business and you can be whatever. No, I'm just saying, yes, this website allowed me to quit my part-time job. Now I have more time and money. Now, again, I can spend more time and really dissect it and make it even better. But I just really want you guys to understand that. It's all about telling a story, okay? Because really what I'm doing in this statement, I want them to want to know what it is I did, okay? What website are you talking about, okay? I want to know, I got a part-time job. I got my full-time job and my part-time. What's the website so I can quit my part-time job and I can have more time and more money? You see what I'm doing? That's what you want to do. You want to create curiosity, okay, of what it is. I didn't even give out any information about anything. I just said, yes, this website allowed me to quit my part-time job. Now I have more time and money. I could say full-time job if I wanted. If I could say full-time, part-time, whatever. Just tell a story, okay? That makes sense? All right, moving on. And that's what it shows up here. Let's see if we have enough room to say click here. Click below. Let's see if it allows us. Nope, not enough room there. See, because I've got a yellow. Let's see. Nope. We'll just say, yes, this website allowed me to quit my part-time job. Now I have more time and money. What I can do is probably take that and see what that does. Still not enough. Yes, this site allowed me to quit my part-time job. Now I have more time and money. Click below. You see what I'm doing? I'm trying to, let's see how many characters I need for that to be approved. And as you see the little yellow here, it tells you that I got too many characters. So, okay, that's fine there. Let's see below. So I need to cut out a lot of stuff. Yes, this site allowed me to quit my, matter of fact, I'll just say this. We'll just say job. How about that? Sound good to me, huh? Yes, this site allowed me to quit my job. Now I have more time and money. Let me see. Now I have more time and money. We could just do that. And again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time because sometimes I might spend 15, 20 minutes just trying to get it just right in terms of the characters that Facebook gives me based off of, is my statement still being, is it going across clear? So yes, this site allowed me to quit my job. Now I have more time and money. Let me see. Let's see. More time. Let's do this. Let's see if it let me do more. Let's see. Yep. Okay, cool. I like that better. So yes, this site allowed me to quit my job. Now I have more time and more money. Click below. Okay, there it is. See that, guys? That's all it is. That's all you have to do there is just set it up like that. Now, from here, what you want to do is, everything looks good. I might put learn more. It's going to put like a little learn more button right there below. Okay. And then from there, I'm going to hit place order. So when I hit place order, it's going to go through the process. When you're placing your order on your ad, when everything looks fine, okay, there's your preview of letting you know what everything looks like. Once you place your order, you got to give Facebook at least a little while for them to review your ad and approve it or disapprove it. If it comes back disapproved, they'll let you know why, and then you just make those changes, okay, and then resubmit it, okay. But for the most part, it can take 5-10 minutes. It can take half a day or sometimes longer. It just depends on, it depends on your copy. It depends on how many people are submitting ads, things of that nature. But it usually doesn't take long, especially once you start doing a lot of ads and you get a lot of your ads approved. I noticed they even come back approved a lot faster. Okay. All right. So just wanted to keep that in mind, guys. So when you're promoting, but this is how you create your business opportunity ads. So now when I hit place order and that goes through the process of getting approved, I'm gonna show you that here in the next video. When that's getting approved and everything going through the process, it'll let you know, the status of it. It'll let you know how it's operating, so on and so forth. But we'll talk a little bit more about that in the next video. But this is it, guys. That's how you create an opportunity ad for Facebook without talking about all the details and so on and so forth about what others can do. Talk about what you're doing. Okay. Talk about what you've accomplished. Talk about what other people have accomplished. It doesn't always have to be about you, but you have to make true statements. Okay. True statements that will be true for everybody that sees that information. This is a true statement. Okay. Yes, this site allowed me to quit my job. Well, hey, that could be, if that's you and you quit your job because of that, it's a true statement. And it'd be true for everybody that lands on that page. Does that make sense? Right? So it just all depends on how you want to word it. Now, if you haven't quit your job, I don't want to say lie. And I don't, if you're doing an opportunity and that opportunity allows you to quit your job, you can use this particular type of ad. Does that make sense? If you're still working your job or you're earning extra money, talk about what you're doing, and that's what makes the difference in getting your ads approved. Remember, the number one issue most people have in creating an ad is getting it approved.